With NKU and its surrounding areas requiring a facial covering in all public spaces, it is important that we understand the best ways to wear and care for our masks. When it comes to what type of mask we should be wearing, the World Health Organization says that the best option is a cloth mask with 2 to 3 layers of fabric. It is good to find a balance between material that doesn't allow droplets to pass through, but also give the wearer easy breathing capability. You can find cloth masks and single-use surgical masks everywhere from most grocery or convenience stores like Target, Walgreens, and Walmart to places like Etsy, as well as tutorials online if you'd like to make your own. While research is changing every day, it is said that masks with valves or vents, bandanas, and certain scarves aren't effective in protecting others from respiratory droplets that come from your mouth or nose. When it comes to actually wearing your mask, there are a number of precautions to keep yourself and others safe. You should first wash your hands before touching your mask. When you go to put it on, only touch the side bands to wrap around your ears. When the mask is on, it is vital that it covers both your mouth and your nose, as both of these places can spread respiratory droplets. There should be no large gaps on any side of the mask and should reach from the bridge of your nose to below your chin. When wearing your mask, make sure not to touch any part of the actual facial covering. If you have to adjust it, wash or sanitize your hands with a sanitizer containing at least 60% alcohol. After you're done adjusting your mask, make sure to re-sanitize your hands as to not spread any bacteria to anything you touch. When you get back to your place of residence with clean hands, only touch the bands around your ears and fold the outside of the mask into itself. It is best to throw reusable masks directly into the wash, but if not, it should be placed into a secure place until it is time to wash. If washing by hand, the CDC recommends using bleach containing 5.25 to 8.25% sodium hypochlorite. Don't forget that new research about masks and COVID-19 changes every day. Stay up to date with CDC guidelines and listen to NKU guidelines for safe schooling practices. If you are going to be near other people, even when outside, it is best to wear your masks for everyone's protection. Stay vigilant about stopping the spread of COVID-19. Reporting for The Northerner, I'm Abby Behrens.